I was in college. The quarterback of the football team took me on a date once.
What?
Really? Well, I'm pretty sure Allison's gonna have some questions tonight.
Wait, huh?
I didn't understand what was going on until afterwards, but
I would clarify that quick.
he took me out for breakfast and paid for it, so it was a date.
Technically, you're right.
I'm still confused.
You're confused. Allison's the one that's got the questions.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure.
Did you make that one?
Oh my gosh!
This is my red
What the
card.
heck happened there? Oh!
That right there sounded like something you hear at jail
That's
cell.
what you should be videotaping.
I am.
Oh.
I got him right before he started saying about the date.
That is blackmail. Video.
Is that... We were talking about Allison and her sounds. Is this Kevin's sounds too? Pretty much.
Allison's sounds were mostly just facial expressions, a couple of grunts and groans, which could easily be mistaken. Hers could be mistaken for orgasms. His sounds will never be mistaken for anything but a violent prison rape. Allison, how are you doing getting laid? Kevin, how are you doing?
Pull it out.
Come on, do us more passing, Kevin.
Oh.
There we go.
See what I'm saying?
There we go.
That right there is slang for pull it out.
Oh my god.
Tyrone, you're so big. Can I buy you some commissary on Tuesday?
God. Ah.
You feel like a badass now, Allison? You feel like a badass? She does. She's gloating. She's loving every second
She's
of it.
over here. Hey, she's gonna use that video against you for the rest of your life.
Did you notice how Kevin was all sensitive and she's all like, hold me, hold my arm, and she's sitting here laughing her ass off.
He won't let me hold him.
Take my glasses, please.
I think she's a little bit
Asshole.
You saw me grab his hand.
I do put it, she's a little bit too strong.
Yes, or as I would say, asshole.
Oh. So who do you think's tougher now, Mom or Dad?
Mom.
Yeah. You're right. It's not. You're right. It's not even close. Mom didn't make these kind of sounds. Only Dad.
Oh, he knows.
Oh my god. Oh.
What?
Nothing.
He said, "Get out of my way, Janet."
I'm not even mad about it, man. That kid's gonna die.
Oh.
He's gonna suffer horribly.
She is so rubbing this in. She's right up in the face with the camera. It's like she's trying to get the tint and the glow of the tears on your face and the agony in your eyes. I mean, come on. And the best part is that video is going to be brought up every time she's mad at you for the next 50 years. Oh, by the way, just saying ahead of time, sorry about your bad luck.
If I live to be 80, I'll be lucky.
dad's almost 80.
Oh, and he's lucky. Oh. Oh my gosh.
You want to be next, Ricky?
I
don't blame you.
I think Ricky would fall asleep because I'm pretty sure Ricky's tough. So Ricky probably wouldn't feel nothing. You'd fall asleep, huh, and start snoring. You wouldn't even feel nothing.
He's not even gonna try. No, he's good.
He's like, you know what? This don't even bother me.
How many do we have done
We're
now?
on the last one right now. But just to make things interesting, I might go over all of them again.
No comment.
No. I'm just trying not to scream.
You got this on the worst spot. You got this on your freaking spine.
I tried to tell him that.
Yeah, you know, guys, we're too smart for our own fucking good.
Because
Yeah, I know what I'm doing all the time, every time. God. Jeez,
because I got mine here and Marcia got hers there, and neither one of us really flinched, but Cindy got hers there and she was doing that.
She was doing the Kevin.
She almost passed out.
Well, I'm not gonna pass out, but oh my
Not passed out, but she almost tapped out.
Yeah.
She almost is like, no, move it somewhere else.
No, you're okay. You're okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. Sit right here. You can sit right there. We're almost
Look how
done.
cool it looks, Ricky.
You can watch me finish it up. It looks pretty cool.